Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have completed sum number 8. So friends, now we have completed in total 4 sums. 2 sums for journal entries, 2 sums for subsidiary books. So now we know both. Now one additional thing we will learn, that is to close the accounts. We are just posting to the accounts, we are not closing the accounts. Like we are closing the cash books, same way we will close the account also, and that we will learn today. And again 2 more sums are left. In total there are 3 sums, but as per me only 2 sums, because that last sum is very long and that is not expected in exam. So one sum will be done today, one sum will be done tomorrow. So till tomorrow our 9th chapter will be completed. Yes, let's look at the 14th sum. On page number 247, 14 and 15, 2 sums are only left as per me. Okay, then 16 sum that is not required. Okay. From the following transactions, pass journal entries in books of Dharmendra and post them in ledger. Now this is same. Now the last line is new for us. Find out the balance of each account and decide which account has which balance. Okay. So we will draw the journal entries of Dharmendra. Question number 14. Journal entries in books of Dharmendra. Date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Let's start. On 1st July, commenced a business by bringing in cash of 80,000, furniture of 20,000. Both are the assets, both are coming in, they are debited, owner is the giver, he is credited. 1/7/16. Cash account debit. Furniture account debit to capital account. Okay. 80,000, 20,000, total 1 lakh. Being commenced business by bringing cash and furniture. Next, 2/7/16. A bank account is opened by depositing 30,000. Bank is the receiver of our cash, cash is going out, so bank debit, cash credit. Bank account debit to cash account, amount 30,000. Being deposited cash and opened the account. Next, 3/7/16. Goods of 12,000 are purchased from Mahendra at 6% rate discount and paid cash 4,000. We are purchasing the goods, goods are coming in, purchase debit. Now we are paying cash for 4,000, remaining we are not paying, so opposite party is the giver, so he is to be credited. Purchase account debit to cash account and the remaining amount to Mahendra account. Now purchase would be 12,000 minus 6%, so it would be so 12,000 minus 6 and percentage, so 11,000 to 80. Purchase would be 11,000 to 80. If you want, you can do directly, or you can write 12,000 minus 6%. Now 4,000 cash is paid, so remaining 7280. B. Goods purchased from Mahindra at 6% trade discount and paid cash rupees 4,000. Next 5, 7, 16. Goods of 7,500 are sold to Narendra at 10% trade discount. He has paid 2,000. Goods are sold, goods are going out, sales is credit. Now cash is coming in for 2,000, remaining amount is not received, so opposite party is only the receiver, so that name is to be written. Cash account debit, Narendra account debit to sales account. Now 7,500 minus 10%, 6,750 minus 10% is 6,750. 2,000 cash is received, so 4,750 is still receivable. Being goods sold to Narendra at 10% TD and received cash of rupees 2,000. Next 6, 7, 16. Paid in cash 3,000 for shop board and 4,000 for advertisement in newspaper. Now see, shop board is included in furniture, because that shop board is of wooden and most of them it is included in furniture, so furniture will be debited and advertisement expense will be debited, and we are paying the cash is credited. Furniture account debit, advertisement expense account debit to cash account. Now for shop board it is, I think 6,000, no, 3,000. 3,000, here it is 4,000, so total would be 7,000. Being paid for shop board and advertisement in newspaper. 7,760. Paid life insurance premium and son's school fees of 2,200 from the shop. Now see, both are drawings. Drawings account debit to cash account. Life insurance is also personal, son's fee is also personal. Total is 8200. Being paid for life insurance premium and son's school fees. Three more entries. Next, 8, 7, 16. Given a check of 7200 to Mahendra in full settlement. Now we have purchased the goods from Mahendra and we have paid 4000 and we have to pay still 7280. So we are paying 7200 in full settlement, so 80 rupees with the discount received. Mahendra is the receiver, bank is the giver, so check goes out, so bank credit and discount received will be credit. First we should know that where is the amount. Mahendra account debit to bank account to discount received account. Now amount payable to Mahendra is 7280. We are paying 7200 and we are not paying 80, so it is discount. B. Account of Mahendra settled by giving check. We have given check 10/7/16. Received a check of 4700 from Narendra in full settlement. Now we have sold the goods to Narendra. We have to get rupees 4750. He is giving a check of rupees 4700, so remaining we are not getting. So we are getting a check, so bank is the receiver, Narendra is the giver, so his credit and discount will also be debited. And this is discount received, this is discount allowed because we are allowing, and this is discount received because we are receiving. Bank account debit. Discount allowed account debit to Narendra account. Amount 4750 in Narendra, 50 rupees in discount and 4700 in bank. B. Narendra settled his account by giving check. Last 11/7/16. Purchase the furniture of 5000 from Surendra Hardware against 3000 by check, 2000 in cash. So we are purchasing furniture. Furniture is coming in, furniture debit. We are giving bank and we are giving cash. So both are credited. So furniture account debit to bank account to cash. Furniture 5000, 3000 by check, 2000 by cash. Being furniture purchased and amount paid in check and cash. Total. 1,80,260. 1,80,260. Okay. Now friends, we have to mark which are the accounts to be prepared. Cash, furniture, capital. Bank, cash is repeated. Purchase, cash is repeated. Mahendra, cash is repeated. Narendra, sales. Furniture, advertisement expense, cash is repeated. Drawings, cash is repeated. Mahendra, bank are repeated. Bank, okay, discount will receive, discount will be allowed. Then Narendra is repeated. Furniture is repeated. Bank and cash is also repeated. So almost transactions are repeated only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 accounts. But friends, now we have to close down the accounts also. So 2 lines extra for each. So 5 lines for each. Okay. So in the next screen you will find all the accounts prepared. So friends, you can see all the ledger accounts prepared. I have made one only mistake, that I have marked furniture account 2 times. So it was total 13 accounts, but actually it is 12 accounts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. All accounts are for 5 lines because we have to close, except the cash and bank account are little bit lengthy. They are for 8 lines because so much transactions are related to cash and bank. Okay, let's start by reading the first journal entry. Okay, so when we are reading the first journal entry, cash account debit, furniture account debit to capital account. Now cash is debited, so on debit side of cash 1,716. What is written opposite to capital account, and the amount would be of cash 80,000. Once more I have to repeat about journal entry. See, posting from subsidiary books is comparatively easy than journal entries. Here cash is debited, so debit side of cash. What to write in the particulars, what is written opposite on credit side, so to capital. But write the amount of cash only, that is 80,000. Then furniture account debit. So debit side of furniture 1,716. What is written opposite to capital account? And the amount should be of furniture itself 20,000. Now capital is credit, so on credit side of capital 1,716. Opposite there are 2 items. By cash account 80,000. On the same date by furniture account 20,000. So total capital is 1 lakh. Second entry, bank account debit to cash account. So bank is debited, on the debit side of bank account 2,716. What is written opposite to cash account? And the amount should be of bank itself 30,000 rupees. Now cash is credited, on credit side of cash 2,716. What is written opposite by bank account? In combined entries it is a problem, otherwise in a single entry it is not a problem. Okay, the amount is 30,000. Now third, purchase account debit to cash account to Mahendra account. So purchase is debited, on the debit side of purchase 3,716 to cash account. Amount is 4,000. See, I know we have to write the amount of purchase, but opposite there are 2 items to Mahendra account 7,280. So again I will repeat, purchase account debit with 11,280. So we have debited in total 11,280. Now cash is credit, so on credit side of cash 3,716. What is written opposite? Purchase. So by purchase account, amount should be of cash. Don't forget, amount should be of cash, that is 4,000. Now Mahendra is credited, on the credit side of Mahendra 3,716. Write the thing which is given opposite, purchase. So by purchase account, amount should be of Mahendra, that is 7,280. So you can tally 7,280 here and 7,280 here. Then cash 4,000. So in cash we have written 4,000. So again we are repeating. Purchase account debit to cash to Mahendra. Purchase is debit. So on debit side of purchase, what is written opposite to cash to Mahendra? 4,780. So total is 11,280. Now cash is credited. Credit side of cash, what is written opposite? Purchase. So by purchase, amount of cash only. Then Mahindra is credited, credit side of Mahindra, what is opposite? Purchase. So by purchase, amount of Mahindra itself 7280. Now the next entry, cash account debit, Narendra account debit to sales account credit. Now cash is debited, so debit side of cash, date 5/7/16. What is opposite to sales account? Amount is of cash only, that is 4000. Then Narendra account debit on 5/7/16. What is written opposite to sales? So to sales account, how much? 4750. Okay, now sales is credited. On the credit side of sales, there are opposite two names, which are they? By cash account 4000, and on the same day by Narendra account. Sorry, I made a mistake, I think. Yes, here it is 2000. Cash is debited by 2000, and here also it will be 2000, and this is 4750. So let me repeat. Cash account debit, debit side of cash, what is opposite to sales? This is 2000. Okay, if you can't understand, again write. Then Narendra debit, debit side of Narendra, what is opposite to sales? Amount of Narendra only 4750. Sales is credited with total 6750. So by Narendra, by cash 2047.50. Now furniture account debit, advertisement account expense account debit to cash account. Now see, furniture again is coming, so don't prepare again furniture account. So on debit side of furniture itself, here only 6/7/16. What is written opposite to cash account? Amount should be of furniture only 3000. Then advertisement expense is also debited 6/7/16. What is written opposite to cash account? Amount for advertisement is 4000. Now cash is credited for both these, so 6/7/16. What is opposite? By furniture account, amount of furniture 3000, and on the same day by advertisement expense account 4000. So again we will repeat the entry. Furniture account debit, advertisement expense account debit to cash. Furniture is debited on debit side of furniture. What is opposite to cash? Amount of furniture only 3000. Then advertisement expense is debited. So on debit side of advertisement expense, what is opposite to cash? Amount should be of advertisement 4000. Cash is credited totally for 7000. So by furniture 3, by advertisement 4. So 3 plus 4 7. Next, drawings account debit to cash account. So drawings is debited, debit side of drawings 7/7/16. What is written opposite to cash account? Amount 8200. Now cash is credited, credit side of cash 7/7/16 by drawings account. Amount 8200. Next, Mahindra account debit to bank to discount receipt. Now Mahindra is debited, debit side of Mahindra, date 8/7/16. Write both the things which is given to bank account to discount received account. Now bank is 7200. Bank is 7200, discount received is 80. So Mahindra account debit, debit side of Mahindra, what is written opposite to bank and to discount received? In bank 7200, then in discount received 80. Now bank is credited on credit side of bank 8/7/16. What is written opposite? By Mahindra, so by Mahindra account, and the amount should be of bank only 7200. Discount received is credit, so credit side of discount received, what is written opposite? By Mahindra account, amount of discount received only 80 rupees. So let me again explain. Mahindra account debit, debit side of Mahindra, two things, bank and discount. So total is 7280. So bank is of 7200, discount is of 80. Then bank is credited. So on credit side of bank, by Mahendra. What is given opposite? But the amount should be of bank only 7200. Discount is credit. So credit side of discount, what is written opposite? Mahendra, amount of discount. Now bank account debit, discount allowed account debit to Narendra account. Now bank account is debited. So debit side of bank 10,716. What is written opposite? To Narendra account, and the amount is of 4700. Then discount allowed account is debited on 10,716. What is written opposite? To Narendra account, and the amount of discount only 50 rupees. And Narendra is credited for both these. So credit side of Narendra, both these things, by bank account 4700, on the same day by discount allowed account 50 rupees. So once more, bank account debit side of bank account to Narendra, amount of bank only 4700. Discount allowed account debit. So debit side of discount allowed, what is written opposite? To Narendra, amount of discount. Then this Narendra is credited. So credit side of Narendra, both the above things, bank account and discount allowed account 4750, which makes 4750. Now the last. Furniture account debit to bank to cash. Again, furniture account is debit. So debit side of furniture holds the things 11,716. Debit side of furniture both the things to bank account 3000, on the same day to cash account 2000. Okay. Now bank is credited, credit side of bank, date 11/7/16. What is given opposite? By furniture, amount is of bank 3000. Again cash is credited on 11/7/16. What is given opposite? By furniture. So by furniture account, amount is of cash 2000. Now all the entries are over. Now see, posting is done. Now we have to close down the accounts. Okay? And we have to find the balance. Now as you know, always in cash debit side is more, because in cash book also we have learned. Total of debit side is 82,000. So take the total in this way, 82,000. 82,000, and on the last day 31/7/16 by balance carried down. So 82,000 minus 30,000 minus 4,000 minus 3,000, 4,000, 8,200 and 2,000. So 30,800. Now friends, we have to also say whether it is a debit balance or credit balance. Now friends, there are two ways to remember. Two ways to remember. Which are that when the balance is on credit side, when the balance is on credit side, it is opposite balance, debit balance. Why? Because opening balance has same effect, but closing balance has opposite effect. I first also explained, because this same balance which we are having on 31/7, on the next month it will go on debit side, so now it should be credit side. But always remember, when the balance is on credit side, it is debit balance, and when the balance is on debit side, it is credit balance. Or how you can remember, debit side is more than credit side, then it is debit balance, or credit side is more than debit side, it is credit balance. But in short, if you were to remember, you remember opposite. If the closing balance is on credit side, it is debit, and if it is on debit side, it is credit. Okay? Now furniture, 20,000, 3,000, 3,000, 2,000. Only debit side is amount is written, so the whole balance will be on credit side. 28,000 on the same line you have to write, not in the different line, and the balance will be also of same amount. By balance carried down, again here also you should write, as it is on credit side, it is a debit balance. Now here 1 lakh. Here also you will write 1 lakh, and here you will write the balance. Now see, the balance is on debit side, so it will be a credit balance. So to balance carried down, and which balance? Credit balance. Date 31/7/16. On the same way, bank, we have to see debit side is more. Okay. So total of debit side is 34,700. Bank we have to decide because sometimes it is debit, sometimes it is credit. So 34,700 minus 7,200 minus 3,000, 24,500. By balance carried down, debit. Again for purchase 11 to 80, 11 to 80, 11 to 80. By balance carried down, debit balance 31,760. Now see, for Mahendra and Narendra the account is equal on both the sides. So just we have to write the total and leave it. Now the accounts which are having same or equal amount on both the sides are known as squared up accounts. Which accounts? Squared up accounts. Okay? So this thing you have to remember. The accounts which are same on both the sides, that is see Narendra and Mahendra, are known as squared up accounts. Okay, now for sales. Credit side is more. $31,716 to balance carried down, credit balance. 4,000, 4,000. Balance is 4,000. Okay, next drawings. Again for drawings also debit balance. Next, discount received. Credit balance, and you have to highlight what you are finding. Okay friends, finding out the balance for all the accounts have been completed. Now you can understand some things from here. Cash is our asset. Assets are having debit balance. See, it is having debit balance. Furniture is also asset. It is having debit balance. Capital is a type of liability because owner is giving the capital and he have to receive them from in future. So business have to pay him that amount. So it is a liability. So capital account is having credit balance. Opposite of capital is drawings is having debit balance because capital means increase the investment and drawings means decrease the investment from the business. Bank can be debit or can be credit. Okay, bank balance is our asset, but bank overdraft is our liability. Purchase is debit balance and sales is credit balance because in purchase goods are net coming in and here goods are going out. Then these are debtors creditors account. It can be squared up or it can have debit or closing credit balance. Expense is having debit balance. Again income is having a credit balance. This income is having a credit balance. Again this expense is having a debit balance. So friends, we have learned today one new thing to close down the accounts. So tomorrow we will also learn the same type of sums. Then our chapter will be completed. Till that time, that's all for today. Thank you so much.